How to know when she wants you to make a move. Dating and relationships can be confusing, especially when it comes to understanding signals. No one wants to misread a situation, but at the same time, you do not want to miss an opportunity. Many men struggle with knowing when a woman is genuinely interested or when she is just being friendly. The good news is that women often give clear signs when they want you to take action. Understanding these signals is crucial because making a move at the right time can strengthen your connection, while misreading the situation can lead to awkwardness. If you have ever wondered whether she wants you to take the next step, this article will help you recognize the signs. 1. Frequent eye contact. Eye contact is one of the strongest indicators of attraction. If she frequently makes eye contact and holds it longer than usual, it means she is engaged and interested in you. A woman who is into you will not just glance at you occasionally. She will look at you with purpose. If she maintains eye contact, smiles, or looks away shyly before looking back, she is inviting you to take things further. 2. Playful touching. Physical touch is a significant sign of attraction. If she finds ways to make contact with you, such as brushing her hand against yours, touching your arm while laughing, or fixing your hair or clothes, she is comfortable with you. Light, seemingly accidental touches often indicate that she is trying to create a deeper physical connection. If she allows prolonged contact, such as letting her hand linger on yours, it is a strong green light. 3. Leaning in when talking. When someone is interested in a conversation, they naturally lean in to show engagement. If she moves closer when you are speaking, it means she enjoys your presence and wants to feel more connected. Pay attention to how she positions herself. If she leans towards you when there is no need to do so, she is likely interested in more than just casual conversation. 4. Laughing at your jokes. Even if you are not a comedian, she will laugh at your jokes if she is into you. A woman who likes you will find ways to show appreciation for your sense of humor, even if your jokes are not the best. Laughter creates a bond, and if she is laughing more than usual or giggling at things that are not necessarily funny, she is making an effort to connect with you. 5. Mirroring your actions. People unconsciously mimic the body language of those they feel connected to. If you notice that she copies your gestures, such as adjusting her posture when you do or using similar phrases, she is likely interested in you. Mirroring is a subconscious way of creating harmony and showing that she feels a natural connection with you. 6. Teasing or playful banter. Playful teasing is a classic form of flirting. If she lightly teases you, makes jokes at your expense in a friendly way, or gives you a hard time over small things, she is trying to engage with you on a deeper level. This kind of playful interaction creates chemistry and allows both of you to lower your guards. If she enjoys teasing you and laughs when you tease her back, it is a strong sign she wants you to make a move. 7. Finding reasons to be around you. When a woman likes you, she will make excuses to be around you. Even if there is no real reason for her to talk to you, she will find ways to stay close. If she lingers after a conversation, randomly shows up where you are, or makes an effort to be in your presence, it is not by accident. She is creating opportunities for you to make a move. 8. Asking personal questions. If she is curious about your life, interests, and past experiences, she is invested in getting to know you better. Women do not waste time on deep conversations with someone they are not interested in. If she asks about your childhood, your dreams, or your opinions on relationships, she is signaling that she wants to build a connection. 9. Lingering goodbyes. Pay attention to how she behaves when you are about to part ways. If she takes her time saying goodbye, hesitates before leaving, or tries to extend the conversation, She is not ready for the moment to end. This is one of the strongest signs that she is hoping for something more to happen, whether it is a hug, a kiss, or another opportunity to see you again. 10. She drops hints. Some women prefer subtlety over directness. If she mentions being single, talks about how she enjoys romantic gestures, or suggests activities you should do together, she is giving you an opening. These hints are her way of encouraging you to make a move without outright saying it. If you notice this happening often, she is likely waiting for you to take the next step, making the right move. Now that you know the signs, the next step is acting on them. But timing is everything. If you see multiple signs from her, do not hesitate too long. Confidence is key. Women are drawn to men who take the lead with respect and assurance. Here are a few ways to make your move. Start with small physical touches to test her comfort level. Compliment her sincerely to see how she reacts. Find an opportunity for one-on-one time and suggest something casual but meaningful. If the moment feels right, go for a kiss. If she has shown multiple signs, she is likely hoping you will. It is important to read her comfort level and proceed at a pace that feels natural. If she pulls away or does not reciprocate, respect her boundaries and give her space. Final thoughts. Understanding when a woman wants you to make a move is about paying attention to her body language, behavior, and the little hints she gives. If she frequently makes eye contact, touches you, leans in, laughs at your jokes, mirrors your actions, teases you, finds reasons to be around you, asks personal questions, lingers during goodbyes, or drops hints, she is likely waiting for you to take action. The key is to be confident yet respectful. Do not rush things, but also do not let fear hold you back. If she is giving you clear signs, there is no reason to hesitate. Take a chance, make your move, and see where it leads. If she likes you, she will appreciate your initiative, and it could be the start of something great. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.